Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Polar Grid X2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on your watch. So if you ever wanted to change the language on your watch and you didn't know how, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's get started. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can wake it up by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the back button right here to open the menu. Then scroll through it and look for the settings icon. And once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, look for the general settings and tap on it. And once you enter the general settings, scroll down and look for the option called language. And once you find it, tap on it to enter. And here you will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through it, look for the language you would like to use on your watch. And once you find the language you like, tap on it, press the middle button right here to confirm, and the language will be applied after a few seconds. Like this. You can also change the language through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So I'm gonna move this to the side, bring the phone that is paired with my watch, and zoom out the camera a bit so you can see the whole screen. Like this. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Polar Flow Sync application. In the app, you can tap on the menu, tap on devices right here, and you should see your Polar Grid X2. Now scroll down and look for the device language. For some reason, it still says English, which is weird because we applied Spanish. Let's go back to the watch face and sync the devices together. The changes will apply. As you can see now, the language is in Spanish, and we want to change the language, so tap on language option. Once it lets you basically tap on language, scroll through the list, look for the language you would like to use, tap on it, tap on done, and then you need to resync the devices. And to do it, you can simply press and hold the back button right here. Press and hold the button until you see this message. It will start syncing your watch with a phone, and once it's done, the options should be applied. The language should be applied basically. Let's see. And here we have it, syncing done. It's in English, and if we open the menu, as you can see, it is in English as well. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.